Thomas Rosens. In this video, we are going to talk if your loan is approved for your education, and do you have to have all the money transferred to your account before you go for F1 visa. So here in America, I mean, we get pre-approvals for our loans, for the houses, for other different things. So those letters that tells you, okay, once you have that letter, it means that you have secured the loan. So your loan is pre-approved. So you are not going to have a lot of problems. That doesn't mean that you need to ask them, hey, can I get that all the money transferred to my bank account? So if you are getting a loan for your education, and that's your father is going to get or uncle is going to get and all that, so get that letter from that's a pre-approval letter, and take at the time of interview, and you should be all good. Now, do you need to talk about that? Like, let's say if a visa officer is not asking you, hey, you have a bank statement from your father or uncle for some money, and then the rest of the money is coming from the loan. And if he asks you how you are going to sponsor your studies, so go ahead and tell, like, okay, my dad has the $10,000 in the account, and the rest of the money is coming from the loan, and here is the pre-approval letter for the loan of maybe $20,000 or $30,000. And now that's another question. He's going to ask you how the loan will be paid, because you have $10,000 all you have, your father has, and then he's getting a loan for first year, fine, but what he will do for the next years when you will be into college. So you should have a better plan. Let's say your father own a property, and that's worth of $300,000 or $100,000, or your dad is going to get retired and get his all the pension, that's going to be $70,000, and that's going to happen in 6 months. So prepare all those documents as well, and tell them, hey, my dad is going to get retired, and he's going to get 70,000, he's going to pay the 20,000, and then he will have $50,000 from here, and on top of that his pension is going to be maybe $600, that will keep him running and family running. And my uncle or somebody other persons, they are also interested to sponsor me. Here is the letter from my uncle, or here is the bank statement from my uncle. Even doesn't matter he's going to sponsor you after that or not, but all those letters, like if you are coming on the loan, have that pre-approval letter. It really helps. You don't have to have money in the account. The visa officers are pretty much going to look into your plan and how you will convince them, like, you have enough money to pay for the first year, and then you will be able to keep up paying the rest of the money for your education while you will be on student visa. So I wish you all the best. Be confident, and don't slack here and there, like, no, I'm not sure how my dad is going to do this and how he's going to do this. Be confident. Your confidence is going to get you the visa. So don't be like confused about the situation. Prepare your answers, and have the plan in your head. So when you talk straight, looking into the eyes, and telling him, I have a solid plan, this is the plan, and this is how I'm going to pay my bills and get my education done. So all the best, and I will see you guys in next video.